Thinking of building a white-themed PC? Every detail counts. Meet the PALIT GeForce RTX 5070 White OC, the perfect blend of style and performance for your setup. With a sleek all-white finish, the RTX 5070 White OC offers triple fan cooling and a factory overclock design. This card stands out in both form and function. Its advanced composite heat pipe, featuring both grooved and sintered power structures, delivers outstanding thermal performance even under intense loads. For gaming, you can expect over 120 FPS at 1440p with ray tracing enabled. For AI applications, it delivers 3 times faster performance for generative AI tasks. Power meets precision. The PALIT GeForce RTX 5070 White OC is built to make your build shine inside and out.